What is up, guys? So today we got a decent sized job to do. We got some concrete to clean, a house wash, or the roof, and their fence. So that's all one job. So obviously you can imagine it's a higher ticket job. I'm not gonna share the price, what I'm charging for all this, just because pricing varies so much, and I don't want guys to be like, I already know if I say a price, it's too high, that's too low, that's blah, blah, blah. So when it comes to pricing, people ask me all the time, how much to charge. Look, do your numbers for your business. Do it make sense for your business. Do you come out profitable? What time is going to play with this? Insurance, chemical costs, running your business. Take all those things in mind when it comes to pricing out a job. That's just some things you want to keep in mind. So I'm gonna show you guys the overall job: 2-story house wash, fence. But let me flip this over. I'm kind of stuck right now. There we go. All right, guys. So here is the fence we got to do. Just going around, hitting it. Nothing too crazy. It's already painted, so we're just pretty much cleaning it to get ready for prep. Here's the side of the house, a 2-story house wash. Not gonna be a super long job. Also gotta do the roof. You see that? There is the concrete. Gotta clean. And pretty dirty spot right there. And more of the fence. All right, guys, so here's a better angle of the roof you guys can see. So overall, we'll be out here for a few hours getting this all knocked out, since we have multiple jobs to do. So obviously we're gonna get started with our pre-job stuff. So prep, so making sure plants are safely covered and watered, and seeing where the gutters run, having our equipment set up, getting our safety equipment on, and then getting started. Remember, guys, no matter what equipment you're running, have a system for when you pull up to a house for efficiency. So what is your routine when you pull up to a home? Evaluating which angles are best to take. So here's a little thing to think about. If you're cleaning a house with a fence, right, and one side has an opening, one side doesn't, which side are you gonna clean first? Working your way around the house strategically for maximum speed and efficiency. Little things like having hose reels. I know that might seem basic, but a lot of guys rev up their own hoses manually. Get a hose reel. Simple stuff that will save you time. Time is money in this business, right? What makes sense when approaching a bigger job? So when we pull up, if we'll talk to the customer first, do our walk around, make sure you record for any damage on the home. That's one thing you should keep in mind. Take your before pictures. Then past that, I'll give you an example for myself. So I've already done that. I went around, took my before pictures, set up my equipment. Is still happening right now. And I have the roof, the house, and concrete and the fence to do. So I gotta be strategic, right? So first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna basically work my way top to bottom. I'm gonna clean the roof, but while I have the roof mix up, while I have my soft wash machine out, I'm gonna go ahead and pre-treat all the concrete before I even start on the roof. That way, while I'm doing that, it has some dwell time. And go ahead and do a lot of the cleaning process with that. I'm gonna go ahead and knock out the roof, and then while I'm back there, I'm gonna go ahead and clean the backside using my soft wash machine. While I'm cleaning the roof, I'm gonna have my assistant start cleaning the driveway with the surface cleaner. So even though this is a bigger job, want to be strategic and get out here in as as little time as possible. So work fast, work quick, but do a great job. That's just some important things to keep in mind, guys. Applicant with my 5.5. Let me check. Yeah, I'm applicant with my 5.5 GPM soft wash machine. Not gonna plug it too much because they aren't paying me yet. So J and Equipment, if you're watching this, go ahead and sponsor your boy. But yeah, I'm probably gonna upgrade the pump on this pretty soon to something a little bit more. Went from the 4 to 5.5. Now I want something a little bit stronger. has been a long day, but we are done with the project. As you can see behind me, there's the fence. So the fence was being prepped for being stained. So you can see this a different color. It's lighter because pretty much the pressure washing removed most of the stain off of it. But I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys some of the results that we got once we're all complete. So let me go ahead and flip my camera and show you guys what we're working with. You all remember the concrete back here? We got that all looking spiffy. Look at the back of the house, nice and clean. I mean, guys, look at the gutters though, super white. As we back up, you guys can see the roof. Huge difference. Got a little bit of brown up there. That should rinse off in the rain. But yeah, guys, so we got house, roof, concrete, fence, dispense. So the fence was really a pain in the rear end to do. Took forever, took a long time, probably longer than I estimated. Could have had everything knocked out in about probably 2 hours had I not had to do the fence. The fence took really long time, which is why typically I don't do fences, but I went ahead and took on this job. It came out great, customers happy, but it was a pain because it took forever to do, and I probably should have charged more. But guys, we are packing up now, getting out of here. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.